The diagram below shows a rectangle with side lengths 8 and 4 and a square with side length 5. Three vertices of the square lie on three different sides of the rectangle as shown. What is the area of the shaded region? Okay, this is your chance to pause the video and try your solutions because my solution will follow in the next slide. All right, so my strategy here is going to use the fact that we're going to have a bunch of similar right triangles here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get the area of the square and I'm going to subtract off the area of this triangle that's on the outside of the rectangle here. So why do we have similar triangles? Well, first off, we know that this is a right angle. So these two angles must be complementary to each other because we form a straight line there, which means that we're going to get congruent angles here and here, right? We can transfer that fact same over here, complementary angles. So that means that we now have this angle congruent to the other angles here. We have vertical angles, so those two are congruent. Since we have the right angle in all those triangles, we have similar triangles. So all four of those right triangles are similar. Well, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use, I know that this side of this right triangle is 4. I know that this side is 5, so that means that this leg must be 3. Well, if that's the case there, we know in this here that this side, the corresponding sides have to have the same ratio. So the ratio from here to here that's 3/4. So that means if I go from this leg to this leg, it's going to have to be 5 times 3/4, which gives us 15/4. So that means the area of that triangle would be equal to 75/4 times a half, the two legs multiplied together times a half. So we would get 75/8. We know the area of the square is 5 times 5, 25. So that's 200/8, which is 25, minus my 75. So that means my total area is going to be 125/8. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.